Hello, this is Alice McCard. I'm coming to you from Livonia, Michigan. Today we are going to take a little look at syndication services for your blog post. And we're going to look at using ping services to help us do that. So we're going to take a look first at some of the ping services available and how we use them. One of them I recommend is Ping-O-Matic. And this is how you're going to get the word out about your blog post each and every time you make a change to your blog post. So first thing we do is go to pingomatic.com, and you see it says blog name. So we go and we find the blog post that we wish to promote. We copy that, go back to Ping-O-Matic, and paste that blog title in there. Next we go to the blog home page. So we want to go up to the URL. We copy that. Go back to Ping-O-Matic. Paste it in there. And finally we take a look at the RSS feed. You see the little button over on, it'll be someplace on your blog. You'll see an RSS feed subscribe to. You simply right click on that. You copy the link location, go back to Ping-O-Matic, and paste it in there. And then you see down below, as you scroll down, there are a number of services that this will go out to. So you want to make sure that everything is checked, all the boxes are checked, and then simply send pings. And it will automatically do all the work for you. You see there's a number of them. So this is a good way to syndicate your blog posts. So we do that for Ping-O-Matic, and next we're going to look at another service here, and it's called PingGates. Again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight the blog post title. We're going to enter that in there, paste it in there. Next, we're going to go back and do the URL. Copy it. Paste it. And finally, the blog RSS feed. Do the same thing. Right click, copy the link location, go back to PingGates, enter the RSS feed URL, and we send pings. And you'll see it loads it automatically. So it's not difficult. It just takes a couple of steps. And finally, we're going to look at a third one. It's called Pingler.com. And in Pingler.com, we do the same type of thing. We go back, we highlight the blog title, we paste it in there, we go to the URL for our blog post, copy that, paste it into Pingler.com, and let's see here, we got categories we can choose from in this particular service, so I want to check and see what fits this best. I'm going to say maybe this one will go business. When you scroll down, you'll see all of the search engines that this will go to. So simply enter the captcha code. And I hope it works this time. It was giving me problems earlier today, and we hit ping. And it went out. Actually, right there it's giving us a little message, but that's how you enter that information in there. So I hope that little tutorial is helpful to you, and it will certainly be a good way to syndicate your blog post. It's probably a good habit to get into each time you write a new post, simply go to at least these 3 sites. There may be many others that you can use, but ping your information out there so that the search engines see that you are active and making changes on your blog. I hope that's helped, and I'll be in touch soon with another tutorial, and look forward to seeing you then. Thanks. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Alice McCard coming to you from Livonia, Michigan. Today we're going to talk a little bit about syndicating your blog posts using pinging services. Now, pinging is just simply a way of telling the search engines that you've changed something on your website. So let's go to the first service that we can use, which is called Ping-O-Matic. Now, to use this service, you simply go here to pingomatic.com, and the first thing you want to do is put in your blog name. So let's go to our blog, find our blog post. Here it is, the first one I have listed here. Are you being empowered? So we copy that, then we go back to Ping-O-Matic and we paste that in there. Next, you put the home page URL in there, which I have already entered. But if you need to do that, you go back to your blog post, go up to the top, and you see it there. You copy, go back to Ping-O-Matic, and simply paste it in there. Then the RSS feed, you can also go back to your blog post. And when you see the RSS feed, you just hover over that, right click on it, and you want to save the link location. Let's see, where is that now? Copy link location. Go back to Ping-O-Matic, and we will put that in there. There, you've got that done now. All the information is in there. You simply come down here, make sure everything is checked. All of these boxes are checked, and you send the pings. And that will send out a message to all of these different search engines that you have made a change on your blog post. Now, the next one that you can use is called Blog Pinger. Again, you do the same thing. You put in the blog title, which we have here. Enter that in. We take the URL from our blog post. And actually, you probably will want to go to the particular blog post that you are working on. I had it on my home page. You should have had on the specific blog post. Copy. Go to Blog Pinger. Put your blog URL in there. And again, you can do the same thing with the RSS feed. Copy the link location. Add that in there. And then you send the pings. And it searches out and does all of the work for you. Now we have a third service that you can use, which is pingler.com. Once again, we do the same thing. We put our title post in there. Add add that in. We put the URL. We copy and paste. Now on this particular service you need to put something about the topic of your post. So let's see what they offer here. We'll put it into marketing. And then you scroll down, you see all the pinging services listed there. Simply enter the CAPTCHA code, which looks like 38B4CJ. And hit ping. And it will do the work for you. I hope that has been helpful for you. This is a good practice to get into each time you do a blog post. It's within 24 hours. You can certainly ping your blog post again. Each time it's a different post. So hope that's helpful, and we'll see you on the next training video coming up soon. Thank you.